Hi, in this video we're going to talk about the ultimate guide to car insurance savings. Car insurance is a necessary for drivers, but it does not have to break the bank. With the right knowledge and strategies, you can find significant savings on your car insurance premiums without promising on coverage. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the ultimate tips and tricks to maximize your car insurance. We will walk you through the ultimate tips and tricks to maximize your car insurance savings. Shop around. Start your saving journey by comparing quotes from multiple insurance providers. Prices can vary significantly between companies, so do not settle for the first quote you receive. Bundle policies. Insurers many insurance have offer discounts when you Many insurance offer discounts when you bundle your car insurance with other policies such as home or rental insurance. Bundling can lead to substantial savings. Raise your deductible. Consider raising your deductible, the amount you pay out of the pocket before your insurance kicks in. A higher deductible typically means lower your premiums, but be sure you can afford the deductible in case of accident. Maintain a clean driving record. Safe driving not only keeps you and others safe on the road but also leads to lower insurance premiums, avoid accident and traffic violation to enjoy discount. Utilizing discounts. Insurance offer various discounts such as safe driver discount, multi-card discounts, and good student discounts. Explore the discounts available to you and take advantages of them. Driverless. If you have fewer miles, you may qualify for a low mileage discount. Consider carpooling, public transportation, or telecommuting to reduce your mileage. Choose the right car. The type of your car you drive affects your insurance premium. Safety features and lower risk of theft can lead to lower rates. Pay your premium annually. Some insurance offer discount if you pay your premium annually instead of monthly. Check if the option is available to you. Maintain continuous coverage. Avoid lapses in your insurance coverage. Insurance companies often better rates to customers with a history of continuous coverage. Take defensive driving courses. Completing a defensive driving courses can not only enhance your driving skills but also lead to discounts on your insurance premiums. Review your policy regularly as your life circumstances change. So, do your insurance needs reviewing your regularly review your policy to ensure it aligns with your current situation. Consider usage-based insurance. Some insurance offer usage-based insurance programs that monitor your driving habits. Safe driving in this program can lead to premium reduction. Remove unnecessary coverage. If you have an old car, consider dropping collision or comprehensive coverage to save on premiums. Maintain good credit. In some states, insurance you use credit score to determine rates. Maintaining good credit can help you secure lower premiums. Ask about affiliation discount. Some organization, alumni association, or employer offer group insurance discount. Check if you are eligible for such discount. Seek out local insurance. Local or regional insurance companies often provide competitive rates and personalized service. Adjust your coverage limits. Evaluate your coverage limit and adjust them to your actual needs. Over-insuring can result in unnecessary cost. Drive a safe car. Vehicle with advanced safety features like airbags and anti-lock system brakes can lead to lower premiums. Driver responsible. Avoid aggressive driving behavior like speeding and reckless driving, which can lead to a higher insurance rate. Take advantages of telematics. Some insurers offer telematic programs that monitor your driving habits. Good driving behavior can lead to discounts. By implementing these strategies and staying protective, you can significantly reduce your car insurance premium while enjoying the peace of mind that comes with your proper coverage. Remember that your individual circumstances and location may affect the specific savings available to you, so tailor these tips to your situation. Thanks for watching and subscribe our channel and like this video.